Welcome to Tow Home Solutions, where we give shape to your dreams. Specializing in kitchen and bathroom remodeling, we bring beauty and functionality to your home. With over 3 years of experience in the renovation and remodeling industry, we've maintained the same quality service. Experience comfort like never before with our foam insulation solutions, designed to lock in warmth and efficiency for your newly remodeled spaces. Our comprehensive services include kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, foam installation, emergency repairs. We pride ourselves on providing customized solutions that fit your needs and budget. With affordable pricing and an all-in-one service approach, we make renovations seamless. Our dedicated customer support team is just a call away. Reach us at 832-523-5882